Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts application right over here. Click on the three dots and navigate to Settings, Import Export, and then select Import from SIM card. Now for me it shows SIM2, that will be dependent on which tray you occupy, either the top or bottom. And this will ask you where you want to import your contacts to. I have two options, device and Google account. Now chances are if you have more than one Google account, they will all be showing up right here. So you can select whichever one you want. Actually, let me go back. Can import it to the device. From here, select each contact that you want to import. You can also quickly select all of them right here. Maybe deselect ones that you don't want. Click on OK, and that's it. Import successfully. So now when you go back, you should have your contacts visible in your contacts list. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.